Hi, it's Andra of Inside Out Life Coach Extraordinaire. I've got a question for you, and I'm hoping that you'd be willing to play along and answer. My question is this: do you have a question that's consuming you? Do the questions that you have keep you up at night? Do the questions that you have right now seem to have no answer to it? Well, the reality is that most of us could actually answer yes to that. We all have questions, and sometimes it's hard for us to access the answer. Why? Because when we have questions that are plaguing us, that are problematic, they actually create more questions, such as, what if I do this? Or what's gonna happen when I do this? What will they think of me? These are the types of follow-up questions that happen with a big question. Well, the truth is, as an experienced life coach, there's one thing that I know with absolute surety. And what I know is this: every question that you have the answer to it. Now, what happens is that sometimes that answer, and actually in most cases, the answers are hidden or buried under everything that we've piled on top of it: worry, anxiety, stress, insecurity, self-doubt, self-worth. All of those things pile on top of the truth. So one of the things that I've done, and I've been doing for many years now, is I get questions sent to me all the time. And I usually answer those questions individually to the person who's originally asked the question. But I'm starting to realize that a lot of the questions that people are asking me are questions that other people have asked me as well, the same questions. So I have now launched an Ask Andra section on my website at InsideOutLifeCoach.com, where I will start to take your questions and I will respond to your question in a video format. So every time I get a question, I will open it up so that not only will other people see the question and the answer, but they'll also be able to support you and encourage you and provide some additional insight. There's 3 ways that you can submit your question to me. You can submit it through Facebook, you can submit it via email, and you can submit it through the form on the website. No matter which way you choose to submit it, my invitation to you is to do it. Now, I will be honest with you. There's a couple of things that you may want to know about me. First of all, I don't dance around too much. In other words, I get right to it, straight to it, and don't be surprised if you submit a question to me and you get an immediate follow-up question from me. See, most of our questions become big, but what I'm going to do is challenge you to get to what you really want to know. And sometimes what you really want to know isn't the question that you've been asking in the first place. So my expectation and my goal is to take these questions to not only support you in your journey to your truth, but to help support you in ridding yourself of anxiety, fear, doubt, worry, insecurity. The list goes on, by supporting you in getting these questions out of your body and out of your mouth so that we can work together to help you find your answer. I really look forward to working with each and every single one of you. I believe that by providing this format for everybody to take advantage of, hearing these questions and hearing the answers, it will support all of us and give each of us the courage to start to do the work to access the answers that already exist within each and every single one of us. I wish you all the best and many blessings, and I'll see you soon. Bye.